Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we have another beautiful tropical garden. This one is a tiny garden. It's only 4 meters by 4.5 meters, I believe, so it really is tiny, but nevertheless it really is a stunning one. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So what a beautiful garden that is. Although it's tiny, it really is a magnificent one. So if you enjoyed the video, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And subscribe if you're not already, because new videos come out every Monday, 6 o'clock at UK time. I don't know why I'm doing this to you. Anyway, so until next time guys, I'll see you.